Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for today's video, I would just like to share with you guys about the setup for this car, the front anchor systems. Okay, so as you can see, the front I'm using the 3 of the silver multi-roller states and make 2 holes for the mushroom heads and the harsh spring, and on top I'm using a 2015 carbon rear plate and to make as a support. And so this one can do the front like this, and also can do like this, a little bit like pivot, and also can do a little bit sliding, not too big but just can do a little bit. Okay, and for the body dampers that I choose to use, because the track layout for this time when we go to LA, it's using like what I call is the mountain slope, so it's bigger and longer than the regular slope. So what I choose to use is like there's no weights at the back, so I make the one piece front body dampers, so it's all the way from the front until the end is one piece. Okay, so this is a body damper that I choose to use, and also the back I using the silver silver multi-roller state to make us the anchor. Okay, so here I have some video, and that's I got permission from the YouTuber from the LA, the Zamblaster, also named Jen Yep, and I got his permission to use his video in this video to show you how is this car runs in the rear, like in the track. So like very lucky this car at both places I went Dojo and the DXM, and it's very lucky this car on open class it won the 3rd place on both race. So here's the video, so check it out. Okay, so that's the race video for this car, and I know it's not fast as people might expect, cause be honestly with you, this is first time I hosting the group, and we from the Canada, and we go all the way to LA to race. So I have to say I'm really nervous during the race. So all I do is I just try to play safe, and plus this car, it's basically prototype that I made for this setup. So actually I feel really really happy about how it works. And also here I want to say thank you to Scott from DXM, and also Matt Tang from Dojo, because they both hosting the race for us, like during the time we are there, and I really appreciate that, and it's very good memory for us. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video, please. And if you have any question, please leave your comment or your question at the bottom, and I will try my best to solve your problem. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.